Hello and welcome back everybody to another YouTube video. In today's video I will explain and solve problem set 5, re-requesting a vanity plate. So in this problem we want to make a program that runs some tests on our program here, on this program. So first we need to modify or restruct our code into functions. So the main function and is valid function, and then import that function in our file here. So from plates import is valid. So as mentioned in the problem, we want to at least make 5 functions. But first let's make the main function, which will call our 4 functions that we will make. So test valid or anything 1, for example, and let's just copy it and paste it 3 times. Okay, and let's call them in the main function, and that's 2, that's 3, that's 4. So our program here actually has a lot of conditions. So first let's check if we catch this condition. So this condition is the length of the input or the vanity plate. So let's here assert and call the function is valid and pass in let's pass in a string less than 2. Okay, so just 1 character, and sorry for that, and this should return false. Okay, let's copy this line, and now let's test if the string is actually more than 6 characters, so it exceeds the limit. So hello world, so this should also return false. And for this one um, let's type CS50 or something. So now it should return true because the string is less than 6 and more than 2. So let's see if that's working. But first I need to pass these functions, and let's run pytest in our file here. So great, it's working. So let's move on and add some test cases to another conditions, so we can test for this condition here, and that checks if the first 2 characters are alphabetic. So let's do this. Assert is valid, and let's pass in numbers, for example. So this should return false, and let's also add another one which will return true, and we need to pass in any string starting with 2 characters at least. So let's change this to true, and let's run pytest again. Okay, great. So this for we checked for this condition, which is for the length, and this condition for checking if the first 2 characters are alphabetic. Okay, and now let's check for this condition. Checks if our string only contains alphabetic or numeric characters. So let's move on to test valid 3 and call our function and pass in okay, maybe like CS and some punctuation and numbers. So this should return false, and if this time we remove the punctuation, it should return true. So let's run PyTest. Okay, great. Okay, now for our final condition, which is for digits. So let's assert it's valid and CS. Let's start with 0. So if you recall, Vanity Plate, like the number shouldn't start with 0. So this should actually return false. But if we like remove the 0 and put it uh, after the 5, so this should now return true. And let's check for what else. Okay, yeah, let's check if the number isn't at the end of our string. So let's add a character after the number, so this should return false. And what else can we check for? Can I take a look? Can start with 0. Okay, I think that's all. So before using check 50, let's use PyTest, and we passed every test. So I think now we are ready to use check 50. And yeah, we passed every test case. So here, yeah, we checked for if the beginning is alphabetical, and that was here, I think, or somewhere here. No, I think it's yeah, it was here. And the length was in this function. Number placement was here, I think, and zero placement also was here. The alphanumeric was here. So yeah, that's the end of today's video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for upcoming videos.